so we're not gonna. Is that running?
Yep.
Welcome back to Half A Hot Rods. Today we're up early on my last day off, trying to pick up this 2000 model C3500 one-ton single wheel crew cab pickup. I'm not gonna tell you what it's for right away. We'll let you guess at it. I'll tell you a little bit about it. I think it was a roofing truck. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It was a work truck. Doesn't have a gooseneck ball in it. Doesn't have a regular hitch on it. It's already at race weight. You know, it's had all the heavy stuff removed. Engine, transmission, etc. So, we'll let you guess as to what we're doing. Whether this is a new project truck, parts truck, just hauling it away for scrap for somebody. Maybe it's a project truck for somebody else. Time will tell. But we're going to try and get this thing loaded up before it starts raining. Okay.
All right, Dan.
Okay. Ready? Rather right.
Easier.
Oh, it wasn't that bad before you started.
It was Jesse's fault.
What?
Jesus.
I know it.
Oh yeah, you couldn't see that something bad was happening?
Not until the last pull. When it bent. Yeah, you get y'all bigger come along.
I bought a bigger one, but it's got a shorter cable on it. This one I've had for 20 years.
The handle's bent.
Yeah, it's been bent for 10 years. I've been using it. You use it once and now it's fucked up.
I bet the parking brake is still working.
Okay, well we got it loaded before the rain came. Now the rain's here. And I think it's supposed to be here all day, so may just have to stay on the trailer. Like, comment, subscribe, make your guess as to what we're doing with this truck. Remember, until next time, if we can do it, you can do it.
Sweat.